In this video, we're going to make a simple addition quiz. In part 2, we're going to make it a little bit more complicated. So the way this is going to work is the computer is going to generate two random numbers, and it's going to output those to the user, and the user is going to have to add them and put in the answer, and the computer tell him if he's right or wrong. So first thing to notice, at the top, I have this package imported, java.util.star. It's by far the most common one that I'll be using in this course. It's the most common one that I use for the stuff that I do. So first thing, we'll put comments on this so we can see what's going on all the way through. Generate two random numbers. Alright, so random, we'll call the first one Paul and the second one Joey, equals new random, and random Joey equals new random. So it's going to ensure that we have different numbers generated. So int, we'll call the first one R1 for random 1, the second one R2, equals Paul.next int. Let's make these, let's say 1 through 10. We'll make it easy. So max is 10 minus 1, and that parentheses add 1, and add 1 more after that. Plus 1. Previous video showed how to, or how I'm getting this formula over here. Well, if I can get this right. There it is. That's what I was looking for. Int R2 equals Joey.next int 10 minus 1, and then we close that side parentheses, click away so I can see that and do this easier, plus 1, plus 1. Here I could have just done plus 2, but I'm trying to stick with the formula that I gave before. Add the two numbers up. So int answer equals R1 plus R2. R2, not 42. 42's answered everything. Alright. So now we need to let the user input something. So we bring in our scanner. So scanner, let's see, input, we'll call input like normal, equals new scanner system.in. Let's say we'll import scanner and ask user to solve problem. And we'll tell them R1 plus R2 equals, R1 plus R2 equals, and now is where we'd have that. Sorry, I got confused with all the, well, it's still wrong. Plus R2 plus equals, alright, I believe that's right. We'll look at the end and see if we need to get rid of this line part here. We'll see it then, see if I have it right. So int, let's call user answer equals input dot next int. And then we'll need a if statement to tell them if they're right or wrong. So if answer equals user answer, we are going to tell them correct. Else, we tell them incorrect. Alright, so this program looks like it should run to me. We'll do this just to get in the habit of it. You should be commenting all your end braces, or at least that's what I find to be the most efficient way to do it. So we'll run this program. So 6 plus 10 equals 16. So that's correct. 2 plus 9 equals 11. That says correct. 3 plus 5, I'll get this one wrong. It says incorrect. So it looks like our program is running nicely. It's telling me if I'm correct or incorrect. I'm not seeing any problems with it. In the next one, we'll actually make it a full-blown quiz. We'll let the user choose how many problems they would like to have, and we'll tell them their score at the end. Alright, I hope you found this video useful. Again, if you're following along, do not forget this import at the top. Import that package. And if you need to pause to look at this code to do anything, and go ahead and do that now. If you want, play around with the code a little bit so you can get a really good understanding of exactly what's going on in here. Alright, thanks for watching.